important luck. I thought everything that happened was because of luck. I do think that luck plays a very important factor in everybody's lives. You know, there are certain things that we really have no control over, where we are born and things like that, and the family that you're into. That definitely has a part to play, where no really effort from your side has contributed to that. But gradually, over a period of time, I've realized that in life, as you go on, hard work and your efforts that you put in do have a very, very big play. And it's because of that that you kind of achieve certain things in your life. So definitely, luck would be a factor, but not as much as hard work in the long run.
Clean shaven just makes you feel good. It just makes you feel really good in the morning when you shave with your, Gillette sort of shaver. You shave with the Gillette foam. You just feel good about yourself. You feel good about your body. I guess you feel good about your face. So you approach the day and you approach the challenges of the day, I think, with a renewed level of confidence. I don't think I would use the word discipline with shaving, because I think, discipline sort of means hard work and thing, but I think shaving in the morning especially, I feel good about it, and I don't really think it's hard work. I kind of really enjoy it. I get up in the morning and I really want to shave and feel good about myself.
I think I personally prefer men being clean shaven. I think, first of all, that lazy stubble kind of feels like you've not probably taken a shower today. And I think the moment a man is clean shaven, he's feeling good about himself, and that shows in the confidence. So that feel-good factor for everyone is very important. Confidence is the best accessory anyone can wear. I think it just makes your day. So for me, personally, I'm here to advocate the clean-shaven look for men.
So easy to shave, and I think one of the beauties of the blade is that it just sort of adjusts to the contours of your face. It's easy, just glides, glides on your cheek. It really gives you a comfortable, smooth shave, which I think is fantastic. I mean, just the technology that Gillette keeps innovating with, keeps coming up with, is absolutely phenomenal.
Well, ये जिलेट का इवेंट है, एंड आई हैव बीन एसोसिएटेड विद जिलेट बहुत काफ़ी सालों से. मैंने कई इवेंट्स किए जिलेट के साथ, और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. वर्ल्ड क्लास ब्रांड है. इनकी शेविंग टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत ही हाई एंड है, वेरी इनोवेटिव इन देयर, पायनियर्स हैं अपने फील्ड के. एंड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है इनके साथ एसोसिएट होना. इनकी टीम बड़ी अच्छी है. एंड आज का जो इवेंट था वो एक मैक 3 रेज़र, जो टर्बो रेज़र है, जो इन्होंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, उसके ऊपर है, जो एक बहुत शानदार रेज़र है. एंड वी आर हियर टू लॉन्च दैट. उसके बहुत अच्छे फीचर्स हैं, जो बहुत ही क्लोज और क्लीन शेव देता है. मैं तो ऑलमोस्ट रोज़ शेव करता हूँ.
Well, it's my first event with Gillette. I think I'm very, very glad and proud to be associated with Gillette as a brand. It's a brand that's been there for so long. I think from the time I've been born, I've been seeing all the men in my family use Gillette. It's the world leader in terms of shaving technology and innovation. So it's really a great feeling to be associated with a brand that's been there for so long. Plus, when I met the team, I kind of really related with the values Gillette stands for. Because it doesn't tell you that you use Gillette and there are going to be 10 girls bouncing on you and you'll get an opportunity like this. But it just tells you to be prepared for any opportunity that comes your way. It just believes in a confident, hard-working man. And that's what I believe in. I believe in hard work. I believe in being prepared for anything. And I think not only on the special occasions like your interview or your wedding or something, you should shave every day. You should be prepared, look good, be confident every day, because you never know what might happen. And that's what Gillette tells me.